Good morning, children. In the food for the health, our next topic is about balanced diet. Okay, balanced diet. A good diet, a healthy diet gives us physical health and mental health. Okay, what is balanced diet means? A diet that contains all the required nutrients is called the balanced diet. Okay, the food that contains all the required nutrients in it is called the balanced diet. మనకు కావాల్సిన న్యూట్రియంట్స్ అన్నిటినీ కల్పించే ఫుడ్నే బ్యాలెన్స్డ్ డైట్ అంటాం. కలిగి ఉన్న ఫుడ్నే బ్యాలెన్స్డ్ డైట్ అంటాం. ఓకే, ఇట్ హెల్ప్స్ అవర్ బాడీ, అవర్ ఆర్గన్స్ ఇన్ ది బాడీ టు వర్క్ ప్రాపర్లీ. ఓకే, see our traditional foods like సున్నుండలు, ఉండలు, okay, and బూరెలు or పూర్ణాలు. Okay, do you know the ingredients of సున్నుండలు? We need black gram dal, okay, and ghee and jaggery, and they will add a little bit of rice flour also. Okay, a little quantity of rice flour also. See, from the black gram we will get the proteins. Pulses, no protein, pulses gives us proteins, and from the ghee we will get the fats, and from the jaggery iron. That means, and we are adding some rice flour also. That means carbohydrates also we are getting. So we are getting all the required quantities, required nutrients, required quantity of nutrients from sunnundalu. So it comes under the balanced diet. And come to the booreelu, what we need: chana dal, jaggery, okay, black gram and rice dal. Black gram and rice mixture. Okay, chana dal. Okay, it comes under pulses. It gives us proteins. Jaggery gives us iron. Black gram gives us proteins, and rice carbohydrates. Rice contains carbohydrates. So this is also a traditional food, booreelu or పూర్ణాలు. This is also comes under this, is giving all the required nutrients. So it is also coming under the balanced diet. Okay, all we know the preparation also. First, black gram and jaggery, they will take the mixture of all these and they will press it as a doughs. And chana dal, first they will boil chana dal and jaggery, and they will make the balls of that, and they will balls of that mixture, and they will dip in this dough, and they will fry in the oil. Okay, these are traditional healthy foods. Okay, in the sweet stall also we are getting so many sweets, no? From the street stall also we will take many sweets. That sweets may not contain whole nutrients. Okay, they will contain more quantity of fats. Okay, so they are not healthy. Homemade traditional foods like sunnundalu, laddulu, booreelu, okay, garelu, all these are healthy foods. So prefer to take homemade foods. Okay, and NIN means it is the National Institute of Nutrition. National Institute of Nutrition. Okay, it has a recommended to take the nutrients in particular quantities. Okay, they had recommended nutrients to take in specific quantities in the name of my plate for a day. For the day. Okay. National Institute of Nutrition recommended specific quantities of nutrients we must include in our diet in the name of my plate for a day. We can see that quantities now. Cereals. Cereals means all the grains. They gives us 240 grams of carbohydrates and pulses. From the pulses we will get the proteins, 90 grams of proteins. Okay, vegetables, 350 grams. Fruits, 150 grams. Okay, nuts and seeds, 30 grams. Oil or ghee, okay, or the fat content food in 27 grams. National Institute of Nutrition recommended to take 250 grams of cereals and 90 grams of pulses, 350 grams of vegetables, 150 grams of fruits, 30 grams of nuts and seeds, and 27 grams of oil, butter or ghee. Okay. That institution recommended these quantities of food to include in our diet, okay, in the name of my plate for the day to get the good nutrition. And we must take the nutrients in the required quantity. If you are not taking in required quantity, or if you are taking more, what will happen? It leads to the health disorders. Okay, like if children were not taking the healthy diet, balanced diet regularly, they may face the problems in their growth and the development in their organs, and they may get some diseases also. Okay, if children were not taking proteins for a long time, required quantity, if they are not taking required quantity of proteins for a long time, what will happen? It leads to the disease kwashiorkor. That means puffy face. Okay, they will be reduction in their growth. Okay, and they will lose the appetite. ఆకలి ఉండదు, పెరుగుదల అనేది గ్రోత్ అనేది ఆగిపోతుంది అనమాట. అండ్ స్వెలన్ లిమ్స్, దేర్ లిమ్స్ విల్ ఆల్సో స్వెల్లింగ్ అనేది మనం లిమ్స్లో కూడా వాళ్ళ అవయవాల్లో కూడా స్వెల్లింగ్ అనేది మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. Okay, and if they are not taking proteins and carbohydrates for a long time, it leads to the disease marasmus. It will also, they will be very hungry. The children will feel very hungry, and they will have the loose and hanging skin, and there will be reduction in their growth also. Okay. So we must take the healthy diet. Okay, we must include all the fruits and vegetables in our diet. Okay, we must not say like that while eating you will tell, no, in the lunch hour I don't like this curry, I don't like that curry. Like that you should not tell. You should take all the types of vegetables and fruits. Okay, and not only taking the balanced diet, we need to maintain good exercise and good hygienic conditions also to maintain good health. Okay, and another one, FSSAI, Food Safety Standard Authority of India. Okay, the Food Safety and Standard Authority of India recommended, they had prescribed 7 C's to maintain good 7 C's to maintain good health hygienic conditions. Okay, what are those we can see? FSSA means Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. They had prescribed to maintain 7 C's to maintain good health hygienic conditions. What are the 7 C's means? First one is check. Before cooking the food, we must check the ingredients whether they are fresh or not. Okay, and clean. Okay, before cooking the food, we must clean the ingredients and we must clean the utensils also. Clean the containers in which we are cooking. Cover. We will store the ingredients or we will store the food, drinking water. No, we must cover the containers. Food containing containers must be covered. Drinking water container also must be covered. Next, cross contamination of food. Cross contamination food. Okay, contamination means spoiling. Okay, we should keep raw food and the cooked food apart. Okay, if they are kept near, they are placed in one container, if they are placed together means the food may spoil. Okay, next, cooking. We must cook the food thoroughly. We must not boil or we must not cook overcook. Okay, we must cook the food in the medium flame. Okay, we must not cook thoroughly or we must not cook or boil like that. Next, cool or chill. Okay, some food will be like meat, fish. They must be freeze. They must be kept in a refrigerator. Okay, if they are placed outside means they may spoil. Consume. We must serve the food in a clean environment, in good environment. Okay, and consume it in healthy environment. Healthy environment means you must keep that clean. You must keep that serving place must be clean. Okay, and that food also you must serve in the good clean place. Okay, these are the 7 C's prescribed by the FSSAI. Are you like the junk food? No, junk food means like cool drinks, okay, and that noodles, fried rice, fast food. Okay, they are not healthy. They will not contain any fibers. Okay, they will contain more fat in the form of sugar. If there are no fibers in that food, if you consume that food, what will happen? It will damage our digestion system. If you are taking that fast food regularly means it will damage our digestive system and it leads to the obesity also. If you take more quantity of fats regularly, it leads to the obesity. Okay, and you must not drink tea and coffee. Okay. Okay, after taking the food or before taking the food, up to 1 hour you should not, after taking the food up to 1 hour you should not drink tea or coffee. Before taking the food also 1 hour before also you should not take tea and coffee. If you take before taking the food or after taking the food means what will happen means it will not it will not allow to impart a nutrition to our body. ఓకే, న్యూట్రిషన్ అనేది ఆ ఫుడ్లో ఉండే న్యూట్రిషన్ అనేది మన బాడీకి అందకుండా ఈ టీ కాఫీ చేస్తాయి అనమాట. సో 1 అవర్ గ్యాప్ ఇచ్చి, తినే ముందు కానీ తిన్న తర్వాత కానీ 1 అవర్ గ్యాప్ ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత మాత్రమే టీ అండ్ కాఫీ తీసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, ఆల్ యూ లైక్ దట్ స్ట్రీట్ ఫుడ్స్ లైక్ సమోసా, చాట్? No, you should not take that. They are keeping all those foods in the streets and they are selling. Okay, in the dust, because of the dust and dirt, what will happen? It leads to the infection. Sometimes if you eat the street food, you may get the stomach pain next day. Why? Because of the infection caused by that food. Okay, so maintain, take good food, take the balanced diet. Okay, and avoid junk food. Don't take the street foods and all. Eat traditional foods and homemade foods prepared in your, okay, in your house. Don't take from the outside. Okay, along with the diet you should do the exercise. Okay, then only, and you must maintain hygienic conditions. That means you must maintain cleanness, then only you will have the good health and good growth. Okay.